Hello, welcome to Top Brain GK. In this video, we will learn about 6 different time zones in USA. Let's start. As you know, USA is the second largest country on North American continent. There are 50 states in USA, including Hawaii and Alaska. This side is called East Coast and this side is called West Coast. Let's focus 6 time zones in USA. First is Eastern Time, second one is Central Time, third is Mountain Time, fourth one is Pacific Time, fifth Hawaii Time, and sixth is Alaska Time. Eastern Time Zone. These states are in Eastern Time Zone. If Eastern Time Zone is 6 p.m., then Central Time will be 5 p.m. In these states are in Central Time Zone. These states are in Mountain Time Zone. If Central Time is 5 p.m., then Mountain Time will be 4 p.m. Next is Pacific Time Zone. If Mountain Time Zone is 4 p.m., then Pacific Time Zone will be 3 p.m. In Alaska, it will be 2 p.m. And in Hawaii Time Zone, it will be 1 p.m. So, as you see that there are 6 different time zones. Now focus on Eastern Time Zone. List of states where Eastern Time Zone observed. The Eastern Time Zone includes the state of Delaware, part of Florida, Georgia, part of Indiana, part of Kentucky, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, part of Michigan, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, part of Tennessee, Vermont, Virginia, and West Virginia. Look at this borderline. 5 states are in both Eastern and Central Time Zone. These are Florida, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, and Tennessee. Now focus on Central Time Zone. List of states where Central Time Zone observed. The Central Time Zone includes the state of Alabama, Arkansas, part of Florida, Illinois, part of Indiana, Iowa, part of Kansas, part of Kentucky, Louisiana, part of Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, part of Nebraska, part of North Dakota, Oklahoma, part of South Dakota, part of Tennessee, most of Texas, and Wisconsin. Look at this borderline again. 5 states are in both Eastern and Central Time Zone. These are Florida, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, and Tennessee. And look at this borderline. 5 other states are in both the Central Time Zone and Mountain Time Zones. Those are Kansas, Nebraska, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Texas. Now focus on Mountain Time Zone. List of states where Mountain Time Zone observed. The Mountain Time Zone includes the state of Arizona, Colorado, part of Idaho, part of Kansas, Montana, part of Nebraska, New Mexico, part of North Dakota, part of Oregon, part of South Dakota, part of Texas, Utah, and Wyoming. Look at this borderline. Idaho is in both the Pacific and Mountain Time Zones. Now focus on Pacific Time Zone. List of states where Pacific Time Zone observed. The Pacific time zone includes the states of California, part of Idaho, Nevada, most of Oregon, and Washington. In Alaska, there is Alaska time zone, and in Hawaii, there is Hawaii time zone. There are two states where daylight saving time does not observe. First, in Hawaii, Hawaii does not observe daylight saving time, and most of Arizona does not observe daylight saving time. I hope you understand this video. If you have any query, do let me know in my comment box. Thank you.